Okay, so this tutorial video show you how to create a group. Okay, a group can allow you to show where your uh, property is in the world map. Okay, first you go to publish, then you go to group. So in group we can give you a name. So I will give you an example. Demo group. Okay, then we click create. After click create, you can select the type of view you want, satellite view or you want a street view. So for this case, I give you a satellite view. So you can choose your logo. Okay. So the next one is you can add in the size of the indicator. So you can add in the zoom duration, point color, point borders. Okay, so all this will has to be brand. So the place is actually located in Singapore. Singapore is over here. Okay, so the point is created. So this one will show the position on the map. So let's make point size bigger, maybe 60. Okay, so now it become bigger. 60 is a bit too big. Okay, let's make it smaller instead. Make it 25. Okay. So now we got this point over here. Then you can add meta tag into it. So if you add a meta tag, then you'll be able to, the user can be able to search. It will be able to be indexed. This meta tag will be able to index the Google search engine. Then you can add a picture to it. Okay. And then here we are. Okay, then you can choose an image for it. Let's choose this image. Upload. Okay, so after you upload, so this image doesn't fit, so we can delete the image and we choose another one. Okay, so let's choose this one. Upload. Okay, so this is how is it. Okay. So we click save. Okay, so when the user search and let's say he happen to find your this thing, this is what he will see in the search result. Okay, share and embed. For this show as first page, do not click, just leave it as no. Okay, if you click yes, the admin will remove it. Then over here, this one is the link. You can set up a friendly link. Okay, so I set up a friendly link in here. Okay. Then I click save. So after I click save, so over here you can add some CSS coding to make it nicer. If you are a programmer and you have a background in this coding, you can do it. Okay, because coding is a totally different topic, so I won't be covering on it. Okay, so after you save, you can click on this shortcut, open link, then you can preview it. Okay, so just now we actually added another one. Okay, so let's click on this one. So this one will show, you can zoom in the 3D group, then you can able to see, you can play, then you can zoom into the piece, then you will load your this 360 VR tour. Okay, so this is how you create your group. Okay, you can also copy the link, and then you can paste it in the browser. Okay, so the next one is you can actually copy this embeddable links for you to embed into website, like WordPress site, or maybe you are hosting or listing with other platforms. So you can show your group by embedding this link into your listing.